We just watched a little film. Came out of the theater there. We got the polar bear. We're gonna go see him later, but first we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go in the vault. Coca Cola vault. Busted. It's quite a large vault. A lot of stuff in here. Interesting little setup here explaining how the formula traveled to New York. It was kept in a bank as collateral for a loan. Quite a bit of information in here. And this really cool mirror ceiling. Away, man.
The secret formula for Coca Cola is here. So share a Coke. Be part of the magic. We'll keep the secret, because keeping the secret ensures that the magic lives on.
Just came out of the vault. Now we're going to go into Bottle Works. Go check out, see what's back here. This is a neat little map, shows the picture of different bottlers and locations. And it changes as you move. Reflective. Some football memorabilia over here. There we go, meeting the Coca-Cola bear.
High five. Yeah. Alright, let's move guys nice on the coast. Right over here first. You're gonna say bye to Bear?
Hi Bear. And up next, milestones of refreshment. Nice little bar set up here. Before those mixers we saw a little bit ago, everything was hand mixed. Lots of different memorabilia back here, including this 1939 Chevy panel van. 1936 pretzel bowl.
Two young lawyers from Chattanooga, Tennessee, Joseph Ryan and Benjamin Thomas, the Portuguese Academy, president of What changed the world most at the beginning of the 20th century? Was it the honor of the president?
Quite a few different machines here. Quite a few. Drink Coca-Cola in bottles. Huh, don't mind if I do. Oh, it's missing. Oh, and you drank it? Table tennis. We even got Olympic torches in here.
So you know the song theme for that.
You got race cars and fire suits and polar bears. And pins, pins, pins. More pins than you can imagine. These different large decorative bottles are neat. And they're everywhere. Got some here. Got some across the lobby up top there. He's coming back. We just met you. We just met you. It's an interesting depiction there. It's like the bottle broke and it left its spot on the wall there. It's carved wood. It's a nice little view. Oh, it's got loud. More bottles. You got a friend in me. Okay, Toy Story reference was not accurate. It's a tribute to Fashion Week. We're about to watch In Search of the Secret Formula 4D. I say watch, but there was a little sign over there that said non-moving seats. So are we gonna ride it or watch it? Good question. Okay, yeah, it was kind of a ride. So we're almost done with our Coca Cola experience. We have done everything downstairs. If we flip around and look over here, it's over in the corner down here. Then you got milestones of refreshment and the bottling area that kind of explains all that. We got to meet our little polar bear friend right down there. He was down there a little bit ago. And we did the 4D theater, which is upstairs over here. Still have to go over there to Pulp Culture and of course the tasting area. Next stop, Pop Culture. Got a whole little setup of Coca-Cola postcards. There's a little magnifying glass, so I think that's so we can find. Ugh, doesn't really magnify much. Not much. Look at this little robot guy. He's a little Coca-Cola robot machine. And unofficially licensed section. Everything here made out of Coca-Cola cans and bottle caps. There's a little dinosaur lizard monster thing. I think he's gonna eat that apple. Coca-Cola everywhere. Why are you hiding all the way over here, away from all your friends, little guy? Poor guy is shunned in the corner. And next up, taste it. Quite a few different things to taste back here. Let's try some. Alright, we're gonna try Asia first. We're just gonna go down the line here. Okay, I really enjoyed this one. I got all the way down to this one, the Smart Plum. The Smart Sour Plum flavor. I've not tried that one yet, but it smells not so great. So let's see what happens. So they're all not bad, except for that one. I really did not like that one. I'm sorry, China, but that sour plum flavor is no, awful. I really like this one though. That was my favorite. Alright, that one right there, that tastes like mouthwash. So far these are like very fruity, very candy. That one was kind of too, but it tasted like I was drinking mouthwash. Alright, these weren't too bad. Not too bad. Even the one that tasted like mouthwash wasn't terrible. Okay. Which is weird. You're up. You're up. A cucumber. That's weird. I think that's a little picture of a cucumber right there. Possibly. And up next, oh yes, the famous Beverly. only got a little cup. Just a little cup of it. Yep. Yep. Gross. So we did not try all of them, but we tried quite a few. We skipped North America. We don't need to try that one. Not too much different over there. That's gonna do it for our Coca-Cola World experience. We checked everything out, tried a lot of flavors, not all of them, there's quite a few. But that's it, we're gonna head out. There is one last thing, have to go through the gift shop. Well played. And now we're in the store.